Hey, Tyson with Washington Outdoor Lighting here in Bellevue. Another project we just completed. I want to walk you around, show you a little bit about what we do. So when we first came here, met with the client, they said, we want our house to look like your pictures. So that's what we did. We gave them that full wow design. When you're coming up the driveway, super dark, like dark. So what we did was uplit the house and the landscape on both the right and left side, really just make it pop and have a warm entrance when you're coming up to the home. A couple really cool things that we did with this project was we have this rock retaining wall that goes all the way around this driveway. So what we did, we used well lights, mini well lights, evenly spaced all the way around. That's gonna create that border for when people are driving up, super dark, don't want to have any issues with the rock wall, but it also brings out that texture and the color in the rock that we absolutely love to see. One thing you won't be able to miss when you're coming up this driveway are these big evergreens up here. We uplit them, so it really adds that extra layer, that second level to the project, but it also creates that perimeter around the house, delivering that wow factor, and that's what we do. In addition to the well lights that we did along the rock wall, we continued that by uplighting these pillars on the house. Really hard to get the wire here. What we did was hold up the pavers to run our wire, make our connection to these areas, and then we put the pavers back, tamp them down, good as new. So even sitting here at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, back here by the front door, super dark. So what we wanted to do, we wanted to spread the light. So we uplit that tree. In the roof is actually a cutout the tree is growing through, so that light is shining through the roof. Really cool wow effect. As we come around the back side of the house, there's this massive deck that our clients enjoy spending time on. So what we wanted to do was bring that to life for them. There's trees that border the entire deck, so we uplit those, creating a multifunctional design. You can see them from the street when you're coming up to the home, but you can also see them lit, fully illuminated while you're sitting on the deck, really delivering that wow experience. Up here on the deck, we have a total of 27 deck lights that are going around the railing of the upper section as well as going down the stairs. What that does is going to create a sense of safety when you're walking around at night, going down the stairs, making sure those stairs are fully illuminated. So if you come over here, I'll kind of show you how we ran our wire, how we installed these. This is a metal railing. So what we had to do was drill little holes in each one of these where our deck lights are, and we ran our wire underneath where this channel is, tucking it up, making sure that no wires are seen, all of our connections are in the posts. That's how we got it done. And as a bonus, you can see the color of our deck light is able to match their railing perfectly. Thanks for walking through this project with me. If you have outdoor lighting needs, you want your house to look something similar to this, something similar to our picture, you have your own ideas, or you're just kind of a blank canvas, you want us to come out, give you some ideas, give us a call, check out our website, be happy to see you. Till then,